Hello, my name is Mark, and this is Production Engineering. Welcome to my little channel. I'm glad you've stopped by. This channel is about design and manufacturing. So if you're a person who wants to make their own product or learn a little bit more about how to design for manufacturing, then this is the channel for you. I've already made a few videos, and they are general knowledge that you might require for when you will approach the design process. However, I want to make more videos, and those videos will be based on the content that you provide. Well, really it's more that you will ask me questions that you may have about production and manufacturing and design, and I'll answer them for you, free of charge. Naturally, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I am looking for subscribers, so please subscribe. Alright, why on earth would you want to do that? Well, I will give you answers to your questions about manufacturing and production. You just post your questions in the comments below and I'll do my very best to answer them. And there's also this. I'm going to take you through the whole process of designing and manufacturing a product, starting from the design idea and how to search for it, refining it, designing it, creating all the files you need for production, finding a manufacturer, dealing with manufacturers, making the product, and selling it. You will get to see the whole process unfold. I will regularly be uploading general content, but subscriber questions will take priority. So please subscribe and post your comments in the comments below. Getting your products off the ground may seem daunting. I'm not going to say it's easy, it certainly has its challenges. But with experience, it does get easier. So here is your opportunity to learn from somebody else's mistakes. Well, mainly mine and the clients that I have worked with. I do have some interesting insights that you might find useful. You may think manufacturing your own product is only for big companies or for people with loads of money. You may think it's risky. What if someone steals your idea or design? What if you have massive failures in manufacturing? These are all valid concerns, and this is why you will have a very good risk mitigation plan in place before you go into manufacturing. So join me on this little product design and manufacturing adventure, and I'll be able to take you through the whole process. Hitting that subscribe button really helps me grow my channel. So thank you very much if you have already done so. And if you haven't and you feel like this is not for you, then perhaps you can share this video with someone that might benefit from it. So once again, thank you very much. Please subscribe and post your comments in the comments below. My name is Mark, and this is Production Engineering.